Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your problem. So if you can't sign up in Instagram, so create new account, so why you have this error and how you can fix it. So also it's just caused by the things that you create too many accounts from one device and from one network. So mostly you just need to wait some time until Instagram will unblock the section for you for creating new accounts. Or you can also just try to take another device if you have it, so another phone or tablet, and just try to sign up from this device. Or you can also just try to go to the settings and just change your network. So if you just receive error when you're creating account when you're using Wi-Fi, just try to turn off Wi-Fi and turn on cellular data. And if you receive it on cellular data, just try to turn off cellular data and turn on Wi-Fi. So just change your network. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.